Welcome to Color and Learn. Hi, kids! Welcome to another exciting adventure in learning and coloring. Today, we're going to discover the letter H, give it a bright color, and meet a big and friendly animal. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Here it is, the letter H. It's the 8th letter of the alphabet and looks like two tall lines connected by a horizontal line in the middle. Can you say H? Today, we're going to color our letter H with a sunny yellow. Yellow is the color of the sun, bananas, and happy days. Let's get our yellow crayons and make that letter shine. Wonderful! Our letter H is now a bright, cheerful yellow. It's really standing out. Next up, let's meet our amazing friend, the hippo. Hippos are big, gentle animals with huge mouths and a love for water. Can you say hippo? We're going to color our hippo with a cool gray. Gray is the color of rain clouds and silver, and it's perfect for our big, friendly hippo. Look at that! Our hippo is now a soft, friendly gray. It looks ready to splash and play. Let's take a look at what we did today. We colored our letter H yellow, and our hippo is now a gentle gray. Remember, H is for hippo, and our hippo looks so cozy. Thanks for joining us on this colorful adventure. We had so much fun learning about the letter H and coloring our hippo. See you next time for more fun and learning. Bye-bye. got so many more adventures lined up just for you, so stay tuned and be ready for our next exciting episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a big thumbs up. That way, you'll never miss out on our fun and fantastic new videos. Thanks for being such awesome viewers. See you next time for more learning and fun. Until then, keep smiling and keep exploring.